Alright guys, listen up. The ultimate godfather of the tech industry, the brand that literally taught the world what professionalism means and ruled Silicon Valley for decades, has just risen from the ashes. And trust me, this isn't just some regular, run-of-the-mill comeback. This time, they are packing an absolute beast that is already giving Apple engineers cold sweats and forcing emergency meetings over at Samsung HQ. Get ready, because this isn't just another smartphone, this is a gadget dropped straight out of a time machine. Introducing the BlackBerry Titan 5G. Fasten your seatbelts, because a tech storm is about to hit. Design and display. First, let's talk about the aesthetics. Forget that old-school BlackBerry where you used to click-clack away on tiny plastic keys. Boss, BlackBerry has officially said goodbye to the physical keypad to bring you a display that looks like it landed straight from the future. We are looking at a massive 6.95-inch 4K micro OLED panel. Man, the colors are so breathtakingly realistic that if you look at water on this screen, you'll check your hand to see if it's wet. And that back panel, it's crafted from aviation-grade carbon fiber, yes, the exact same material used to build fighter jets. We're talking ultra-premium looks paired with durability so insane it would make a sledgehammer insecure. The second you hold it, you'll know this is no toy. The camera setup. Now let's move on to the department that is currently breaking the internet, the cameras. Around the back, you get a dangerously powerful triple camera setup. No gimmicks here, just three absolute monsters. The main event is a 200-megapixel ultra-vision lens with a ridiculous f1.2 variable aperture. At 2 a.m. in pitch-black darkness, this thing will pull in photos that look like it's high noon. Then you have the 50-megapixel ultra-wide shooter that captures the entire world in a single frame. And finally, the 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. When you zoom in with this setup, you'll literally be able to see the reflection in the eye of a bird sitting on a distant mountain. You can officially sell your $2,000 DSLR and lock it away, because this phone puts an entire Hollywood studio right in your pocket. To top it all off, the whole system is backed by a phenomenal 50-megapixel AI-powered front camera for flawless selfies. Performance. Let's talk about the brain powering this beast. Beating at the absolute heart of this phone is a Quantum Snapdragon chipset. This processor wasn't built for regular tasks, it was engineered for absolute madness. And to back it up, a jaw-dropping 16 GB of super fast RAM. You heard that right, 16 gigs. You can leave 50 apps open in the background while running heavy, intensive gaming, and this phone won't even break a sweat. Plus, this is a supercharged, 5G-ready monster. While the rest of the world is dealing with network lag, you'll be flying at the speed of data. The word lag literally doesn't exist in this phone's dictionary. Battery life. To power a massive monster like this, you need a monstrous amount of juice. So, BlackBerry threw in a 6600 mAh graphene battery. You know what graphene means. Zero heating, zero risk, just pure, safe, unadulterated power. And it comes bundled with a 120-watt hypercharger. Look, in the time it takes you to finish a single cup of coffee, this phone will rocket from 0 to 100%. Charge it once, and you won't even need to look at your charger for the next 3 days. Price and launch date. Now for the million-dollar question. How much damage is this going to do to your wallet? Well, hold on to your seats. This ultimate flagship is expected to land right around the $1,200 price tag. Look, it's definitely not cheap, but the futuristic tech you're getting here completely justifies every single penny. So, when can you get your hands on it? Mark your calendars in bright red right now. This storm is set to collide with the global tech market in the last week of December 2026. So, tech fam, can BlackBerry actually reclaim its lost empire with the BlackBerry Titan 5G? Drop a comment below and be completely honest, would you drop your iPhone or Samsung Galaxy to rock this absolute beast as your next daily driver?